everyone, welcome back. So for today's video, it's going to be a little bit of a video dump. I had so much footage just from Hong Kong from the end of the year that I just never got around to editing. So I figured why not just put it all into one video? Otherwise, it would just be stuck on my computer forever. So here's a little bit just about what I was up to, the last few weeks of the year in Hong Kong. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. So here we're on our way to go outlet shopping in Hong Kong. We wanted to just check out the outlet malls here, so decided to make a day out of it. So first, we obviously stopped for lunch at this awesome restaurant on the beach called Bathers. Highly recommend if you're ever in Hong Kong. It's really beautiful, right on the beach. Some calamari, fish and chips. It was a good lunch. And then we actually had afternoon tea at Dear Lily. This is a really beautiful place. We decided to sit out on the patio just because it was nice out, but the inside of the decor, I didn't get a picture of it, is beautiful as well. I'm such a tea person. I really enjoy going to tea in Hong Kong. The outlet mall. I'm outside of Nike. Mr. Olivia's already inside shopping, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like a little bit while he's shopping and looking at things. It's not that crowded yet, so I think it was a good time to come. But yeah, all the brands that you see in the US they have here, and everything is discounted, so So yeah, I really enjoyed the outlet mall. We didn't end up actually buying a ton of stuff. We were looking for Christmas presents and things, but they have every brand that you could think of that they have, in the US at least. And a lot of designer brands as well. That was something that I thought was very specific to Hong Kong, but they had the Versace, they had the Ferragamo, they had a lot of designer outlets as well, which is something that I don't typically see a lot in the US. But yeah, overall, it was a really beautiful building. Not too many people. It was a good day. Hey guys, good morning. I'm back out on the patio. I just finished getting ready. It's kind of early, but today I'm going to brunch at Ula. So it's this restaurant that we've ordered at, takeout at, obviously, pandemic, for a while. And I wanted to go to their brunch, so we're gonna go in person, actually go, make a day out of it, go to this exhibit later. So I'm gonna take you guys along. Got kind of cute, So now it's like basically no. Next week is November, so now it's like really the weather is really cool. Like I can wear long sleeves, a light jacket. Like I'm loving the weather right now. So yeah, let's go to brunch. So the neighborhood that I'm showing you now is called Wan Chai. It's near Star Street, and it's really just like kind of like a trendy hipster area of town. They have a lot of good restaurants, just like Ula, and it's a really great place to just like explore and walk around. Now we're walking through Victoria Park on our way to an exhibit, actually. Yeah, just a nice walk in the park. The dogs here are so well behaved. That's something I've noticed. How beautiful is this church? I have to find the exact name, but I'd never been here before, and it was actually near one of the parks I was at. So yeah, I decided to take some video for you. Now this is actually in the Hong Kong Botanical Gardens, one of the botanical gardens. So yeah, I went to the botanical gardens with one of my friends actually. It was really beautiful. So that's what I was up to the last 2 weeks of the year. I hope you enjoyed just seeing a little bit of everyday life in Hong Kong, and what it's been like for me here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.